Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, what do I mean by live? What I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in the video. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. All right, the market is open. I'm going to throw an order out there at 25.50 for a put. See if it wants to make another surge to the upside here. Actually, let's go 24.50 now. So I'm looking to play a put here, doing options. If you don't know what options are, let me know in the comment section. Just put guide, please, and I'll send you to a free class that I put together called The Big Basics of Options. It'll walk you through all the terminology and all that. Don't let options, that word scare you. I know it kind of carries with it intimidation, because options can be complicated, don't get me wrong, but they also can be approached in a simplified way, and I approach them more of in a simple way. So if you're somebody that prefers a simple way, then, like I said, let me know in the comment section. No, we'll send you a link to that guide. But okay, I'll pause for now and I'll keep an eye on it. All right, going to throw an order out there at 29.70 in 29.70 for a put. See what this wants to do here. And I'm in at 29.70 for a put. Try for one at 26. So taking a $50 loss on that one. Tried to pick up another one, but it didn't go up and did not allow me. Well, I guess I didn't even have to take a loss on that one. Yep, there it was. I could have pulled off my gain there, but at that point it was just, you got to make a decision at some point. At that point, I was like, you know, this thing is not working very well. Did not get my ad. I wanted to add another contract. Didn't get that. So figured, you know, at that point, had I gotten my ad, then that would have been a green trade because my average would have come down and been just fine, but I missed it. And therefore, in my mind, my average still felt like it was a bit too high. So I had to take a loss, but $50, nothing that can't be recovered from. So sometimes you got to just cut the loss. All right, I will pause and let's see what else I can find. I have an order at 31.70 here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and cancel it out. There's some news at 10. I think consumer sentiment comes out. That's still 5 minutes away, but yeah, I'll err on the side of just maybe seeing if this thing wants to break out. So let's go to 28.70 instead. I'm glad I canceled that order out there because it did push up through. That doesn't necessarily mean it would have been a losing trade, but All right, I will pause. Have an order at 34.70 here. For a call. I'll keep a close eye on it, but I'll pause. All right, going to try to pick up a put here at 38.70. Well, I just tried and it failed to fill. So I'm now going to wait for 435.25. So try up around that area there. All right, I will pause. All right, going to go for a put here at 39.70. I will pause for now. All right, going to try to pick up put here at 38.50, but okay. Looking like I'm getting left behind here. We'll see if it wants to come back up at all, but there it drops. So looking like I was a tad bit late there. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 35.70. All right, that just feels like right on a potential. I just need it to come down a little bit more, and I'm getting impatient with it. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 34.50 maybe is going to be a better. I'm trying to time it up to that area right there. So 34.50. All right, I'll pause. Okay, I have an order at 32. $31.70 now we'll go to, or actually 31. 30.70 actually. So let's just see another push down through there. There we go. Let's come down a bit more. Okay, that's what I was looking for. So we got to go to 29.70 now. Just need a little bit more of a push. $28.50 now. Oh, that was the move. Did it? Had to have been best bid. So got to go to 27.70 now. Each of these movements I'm needing to get filled, and if I don't get filled, then I got to adjust my order. Okay, come on. In. And out for $50. Let me change strike prices here. Move this down. Go to 33.70 now. Double checking. Yep, 33.70. So I'll look to start the process all over again. actually looking off screen and I'm seeing something else. So let's go to 32.70 instead. Does it really drop down that far? I don't know. Should we go for the, yeah. And yes, I'm talking to myself right now. You know, at this point, we're getting that close. So 42 or 432.25 is what I would like. So I'm going to change strike prices again. So 20, so I'm trying to do some quick math. 4, so what is that, about 37, 36, 50? Try that, just throw it out there. That's certainly subject to change. All right, I will pause. Have an order at 36.70. Oh, and it got close. Look at that. If you scroll back, you'll see I was on the best bid.
Yeah.
Let's go to 35.70 now. Okay, I'm at 35.70. Okay, time to go to 34.70.
Yeah.
No, not yet. My daughter's in here with me. She's learned that whenever she thinks I'm about to say pause, she'll say, see ya. But, yep, no, we're not. I'm not going to pause it yet. We'll let it. We'll see if it wants to come down a bit more here. All right, now I will pause it so you can say, see ya.
Yeah.
Okay, approaching 34.70. Did not film me, so we got to go to 34.10 now. $33.10 now. Let's just do this. Let's do 32.70. All right, I will pause. Okay, I have an order at 34.50. In at 34.50. Gonna have a call at 34.50. And out for $50. Took a little longer than I thought, but I won't complain. If I want to make another move down, I'll be ready. And this time right around 431.35, so 50 cents away. So I'm going to change strike prices on that now. So about $38-ish is where I'd be interested. All right, I will pause. But so yeah, now I am green on the day. Nothing fancy, just some basic trades, but that's also the benefit of just taking basic losses. If you take basic controlled losses, then you don't have to trade like a superhero in order to get green. So very anticlimactic trading, but yet not only have I wiped away the loss, but I've put myself in the green. So if there's one thing you take away from this, take basic losses, because basic losses, again, equate to, hey, just make basic trades. All right, I will pause. Have an order at 31.10 here. See if we can come down just a tad more. All right, we got to go to 29.50 now. Would it be at 31.10 right now? I don't know if that, maybe I should have stayed there. All right, I'm going to go back to, what is that? About 30. So yeah, 28. Let's do 27.70. All right, I'm at 27.70 for a call. I will pause. Okay, have an order at 27.30. In. In at 27.30. And out for $50 again. So just basic trade, another 50 bucks. Let's see where else I can head off. Oh, kind of in a no man's land now. What is that right there? So I could look for potentially a call down around that area, 430.80. But all right, another basic trade, just quick $50. I will pause. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. It's now market's almost closed, and I haven't been around, but want to get things wrapped up here. So yeah, a day of basic trades. And just to reiterate that message, I realized I probably just said it in the video, but as far as like me in real time, I said this hours ago, so I just want to recap it. When you take basic losses, you just need basic wins to not only recoup those losses, but put yourself back into the green. And that's what today was. So was not able to really go for anything bigger than the $50 ones, but it is what it is. So keep the basic losses, and then you get basic wins, and everything takes care of itself. So if you enjoy these live trade videos, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.